How much for it? $25?
Don't let go of my hands, sorry.
Oh, $99.
Yeah, give me your hand.
Up to 25 degrees. Yeah.
Is it minus 25 or?
Come. Yes, guys, so we're actually in Walmart right now, trying to find a turkey. So it's their first Thanksgiving in Canada, and they haven't. Rachel, have you ever eaten turkey before?
Yes. Once upon a time, I went to TGIF and I took this
The guy from YouTube, man.
turkey salad.
No way.
Oh, nice to meet you, man.
How's it going, brother? Nice to meet you too. Sorry, I didn't mean to just jump in.
No, it's all good. No, it's all good, man. I appreciate you jumping in.
No, I appreciate you guys. I was watching your videos before. I just moved here in August. So
Yeah, where did you move from?
Toronto.
Welcome to the big city of Grand Prairie.
Nice to meet you. Hey, thanks, guys.
Yeah, bless up,
Videos
bro.
are so helpful, eh?
Yeah.
Where can I get some oxtail around here?
Oxtail, bro. You know what? You can get oxtail at
Give me on an oxtail.
Blackman Butcher.
What's that?
Blackman's Butcher. That's the name of the store.
Yeah.
It's right across from the mall.
Alright.
But they're closed. Bro. Yeah, I think they're like 10 to 5 or something like that. Yeah, I know you can get oxtail. No, we're thinking about it, but we're still here. Yeah, bless up, bro. Yeah. So Rochelle, because it's huh? What's up? Because it's your first Thanksgiving, I'll let you guys choose the turkey.
Some turkey dish with some salad thing, but it never tastes good.
Didn't it taste good? Okay, let's. You have frozen.
Is that chicken?
So you have two different types. So this is turkey and turkey. You guys get to choose the bird. And there's somewhere around the other side. Yeah, don't choose anyone too big because we don't really like it, but we have to kind of like design a turkey because it's our first Thanksgiving.
Don't worry, what I would do is just cut it up and put it in salads.
It's our sandwiches, yeah.
You want me to choose? Okay.
It doesn't matter, I like the size. When it comes to turkey, size doesn't matter.
Size does matter.
Not with the turkey.
Is there such thing as a small turkey?
Yeah, these are small turkey.
Somehow I prefer the butterball one. I don't know why, but I just feel like the butterball one.
Because of the package. That's why.
I'm big on aesthetics. So
So it doesn't matter.
as a
just-
quality person, as a quality professional,
One thing though, it cannot be more than say $41 because like $45. It can't be more than $45. That's the only restriction.
$41. As I said, it doesn't even matter. I just don't like to choose the one that is closest to everybody touch.
Oh, you know the one that everybody touch.
No, this one close up. I don't know. This is $40.57.
Okay. So Rochelle chosen the bird. Are you gonna help cook the bird too? Of course, you know I'm after I get chicken as a backup plan.
Okay, I will help you eat the bird.
Oh, there's more around there? Oh, there's some more on the other side. Come, pull the car, bro. Hmm?
$38.
Some more around the side, Rush.
38. It's up 38.
And these are says raised without antibiotics.
Oh yeah, man. So if this free range turkey, right? Free range turkey?
What do you mean? Like just live?
Them hand fed.
Yeah.
So these are free range.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we have no holy fire.
But says it's already stuffed.
Yes.
Expensive than the other.
Yeah, but at least it's $41.
$41, not bad.
Yeah, but why is it
But I know I have to put some Jamaican seasoning on it.
$37? That's your kilo mug.
Look, Marga compared to the other one. Probably because it's just free range. As
No, it's okay. So what?
Guys, if you're watching this vlog right now, Thanksgiving in Canada is usually the first, no, the second Monday. The second Monday in October every year. It's different than Thanksgiving in the US, which is usually November month and thereabout. If you're watching this video and you're in Canada, happy Thanksgiving. We all have a lot to be thankful for. And yeah, I hope that everybody is able to have a good Thanksgiving. We are not big on turkey. That's not on myself. But it's these people first Thanksgiving in Canada, so we have to make it as authentic as possible. Otherwise, not some would have just probably eat some chicken and bowl of vibes. You understand? Always amazed, guys. This is what they restrict us to. A little part of the aisle. You want corned beef? It doesn't matter to me. This is my favorite seasoning. Uh-oh.
Do you know what it is?
Put it back, sir. The ackee look freshy. But they can. Oh, $10.97. A premium ackee. Hey, let's go to the cashier. Can we go to the superstore? Do we have enough flour though? Because I think come on, I
Okay. What is in the container?
Oh, I need to. Snapbacks don't look bad. Bills? What I say? Oh, I priced it. I priced my chart from.
Daddy. Daddy.
Yeah, there's no price on it. Probably not pack it out yet.
Come here. Come here.
Guys, guess where I'm at again? More Peter Shore. More Peter Shore. I was just there a couple days ago and I told you guys that I'll be back a couple days again. Guys, when you like the video, subscribe and drop a comment. It helps me out. So if you want to help me buy Peter Shore, smash a like on the video. Alright, guys. As you guys can see, this is the turkey, so we're just gonna bust this open and let it go and defrost. So as you guys can see, this turkey was actually chosen. Yeah, and it comes already stuffed, so that's a little bit easier on my part. One thing I'm gonna do is to, if you go on defrost, stab it up, and then I do my magic. I also got some oxtail, guys. Let's look at the prices of these oxtail. So $12.10, and you just get 4 pieces. $12.42, 4 pieces, and $11.52, 4 pieces. So I just picked up 3 pieces because it's not much, right? It's not. I'm not cooking for a lot of people. Usually, what we would do is to invite a lot of friends and stuff over, but this Thanksgiving we just decided that, you know what we're gonna do. We're just gonna be morning, guys. As you can tell, it's now the next morning. I could not video anything else last night. The kids were making so much noise. They were having so much fun. So I just decided that, you know what, let's just make it a fun night for them and for us too. So I put on the camera and we're just vibing and having a good time. But nonetheless, it's a Sunday morning, guys, and it's now 6 degrees. Now look at those trees, guys. Do you guys remember me being here like a couple weeks ago? I know these trees are just beautiful and, you know, nice and fluffy. Look at these trees now. Look. Nothing. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. That's usually a sign, guys, that winter is very, very close. Winter is very close. It's 6 degrees outside right now. A little bit chilly, but this is nothing. Shorts and slippers. When I get used to it, I get used to it. So all the persons who are wondering, can I manage it? Can I manage an Albertan winter? Am I gonna freeze? Are my fingers gonna crack and bleed and all these things? No, it's not. Over time, your body will adjust to it. Just like my body has adjusted to it. Because in Jamaica, plus 37, plus 40s, plus 6 degrees would be like unheard of. But yeah, you get used to it. Nonetheless, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way to the end. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you do, don't forget to smash that like button on the video. Really support the video and the channel and me and my family. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, please take a second to subscribe. Again, I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers, so I would really appreciate it, guys. If you have been watching the channel, you find it informative, you find it engaging, and you want to support me, just click on that subscribe button. really, really, really helps me out. You guys have no idea. Drop a comment as well, guys. Happy Thanksgiving to all the persons who are celebrating Thanksgiving this weekend in Canada. And even if you're not in Canada, use it as a day to give thanks for something in your life. There's always something to be thankful for, regardless of where we are in our lives, right? Now, sometimes because we have goals and sometimes because we have ambition, it causes us to forget to give thanks for what we have. For what we have right now, right? And you know what's the thing? What's the sad part? What you have right now was once what you hoped for. What you have now was once what you prayed for, you wished for. I know you have it, but because you have bigger goals, you have bigger dreams, because as you attain something, something else becomes priority. It causes us to be not thankful for what we have in front of us right now in the present. But let's not make that a habit, guys. Let's give thanks in whatever circumstance. There is just one thing, two thing, three thing, whatever it is, there's something to give thanks for. And if you're really thankful this weekend for something, drop it down in the comment section. Let me know what you're thankful for. I am thankful for my family. I'm thankful for the opportunity to live and work in Canada. I'm thankful for my health. I'm thankful for my job. I'm thankful for just the many blessings that has been issued towards me and my family in my life, right? And even though I have goals, and goals are constant and ambition is constant, I am not going to forget to give thanks for where I'm at right now, right? So don't forget to give thanks is my message this morning. And also, if you have something to be thankful for, just throw it down in the comment section. And also, happy Thanksgiving, and see you guys in the next video.